Hi pet parents, it's Dr. Nicole. I want to share with you my number one tip to save money for your pets and improve their life. It is prioritizing and improving their dental hygiene. I want to give you 5 reasons why dental hygiene is so important. Number 1 is the pain. It hurts them just like it hurts us. Number 2 is prevention is a lot more cost effective than treatment. Save money on those extensive dentals and the painful extractions. Number 3, regular dental hygiene can prevent the long-term serious consequences on all the organ function and overall longevity. Which means, number 4, they can live a longer, healthier life without dental disease. And number 5, our favorite, of course, is better dental hygiene means less of that nasty bacteria, less of that nasty breath, and better puppy kisses. Follow us along, get the top tips to improve your dental hygiene so you guys can save money and help your dog live a better life. Dr. Nicole here. We're going through a series on how pet parents can save money, focusing on dental hygiene. So video number 2, I want to talk to you guys about supplements. So it's really important for pet parents to not get caught up in the marketing of supplements and find out what's actually been backed in science. So for me, the main products that have been backed in science is Ascophyllum nodosum, which is a type of seaweed, and that binds in saliva, and the scientific studies show that it reduces plaque and tartar. In a similar vein, there's another couple of ones that have been shown to do the same thing, that is zinc sulfate and sodium tripolyphosphate. They vary between natural and artificially made. Obviously, everyone has different values on that front, but these are compounds that have science behind them to improve their dental health. So definitely give those ones a go when you're looking at improving your dog's dental hygiene naturally and saving money long term. Hey guys, it's Dr. Nicole again. We're up to video 3 for how to save money for pet parents with improving dental hygiene. And one of my favorite topics for sure is a little bit of a controversial one, incorporating raw meaty bones. So raw meaty bones, not only they're full of nutrition, but the mechanical action of chewing them really helps to reduce the plaque and tartar. Now, when we talk about raw meaty bones, I'm aiming to be chewing for at least 20 minutes. So that is a bit of a benchmark for lots of parents when you're watching your dog chew. Of course, raw meaty bones aren't for everyone out there, but they are backed in science. So they actually have done scientific studies to show that the plaque and tartar load on a dog reduces when you incorporate bones into their lifestyles. My other favorite feature of raw meaty bones is that they can be considered a food. So at the end of the day, you've got to feed your dog. It's just dog food. And a raw meaty bone that's about 50% meat, 50% bone is actually quite close to a complete diet. So you can be saving money. You've got to feed them a meal and you're improving dental health. How fantastic is that? Hey guys, it's Dr. Nicole here. In this video, I want to talk about one big feature of improving their dental hygiene, and that is with a raw food diet. So I know this is a controversial one, and full disclaimer, I am a raw feeding vet or fresh feeding vet. Not all my patients eat raw. So I know that doesn't align with everyone's values. I'm okay with that. But I want to go through the benefits of feeding raw or fresh food for your pet and their health. Raw diet, and I do include raw meaty bones in this, doesn't have the carbohydrate load in it that a processed diet does. Okay, so you're looking at mainly meat, organ meat, vegetables, sometimes some supplements, things like that. Now, we don't have really fantastic scientific studies to prove that a raw food diet does, create a better situation for dogs with their dental hygiene than processed food. I'm completely admit that. No one has properly studied that. Hopefully someone does one day. But at the same time, the big food companies haven't actually done studies with their processed diets compared to balanced fresh food diets to prove that their diets are better than fresh food. Anyway, another problem for another day. You're going to have better dental hygiene when you have a more diverse biome. We've had studies on that. So they've shown that puppies that are fresh fed and dogs that are fresh fed actually have a more diverse gut biome, which is fantastic. So that you could extrapolate and suggest that that's going to improve your dental hygiene. But for me, it's just a bit of common sense. I mean, if you're chewing on a processed kibble that shatters in your mouth, is full of carbohydrates, it's just not going to be as good for your teeth as eating a fresh food diet. Imagine you're eating yourself processed food all day, every day. You're not going to have as good teeth. Hi pet parents, Dr. Nicole here. We're going through a series of how to save money for your pets. So in the final video of this series on dental hygiene, we're going to talk about teeth brushing, my favorite topic. It really is the gold standard and it barely costs anything, and the impact that it can have on your dog's health is amazing. So teeth brushing or brushing their gums and their teeth, the benefits of it go well beyond just maintaining good breath, although that is one of the big perks. So when you're brushing teeth, we're removing the plaque or that sticky film that builds up after they eat. Same as us. Left unchecked, this plaque will actually turn into the hard tartar that you see, sometimes that white or yellow, thick tartar on their teeth. That's what we're trying to avoid. And if we leave this and we let it all build up, you're getting bacteria flooding the body, and this can really impact their long-term health, kidney function, liver function, heart function, everything, not to mention the discomfort that periodontal disease causes. And we know up to 80% of dogs over the age of 3 will develop periodontal disease. So teeth brushing is the gold standard, but I don't want you to think that it's as hard as brushing our teeth. I think anything you can do will make a difference. Start with wiping, build it up. You will see the health benefits and save so much money long-term at the vets with expensive dental procedures, extractions, things like that. So absolutely add this to your toolkit for me. So that brings us to an end in our series on how you can implement dental hygiene strategies to save money and improve your pet's longevity and quality of life. We hope you guys loved it, and thanks for tuning in.